Business is an exact science. And I can prove as we go. You see, when you reach the limits of what you know in running your business, that's it. You know, you have this revenue that plateaus and then it comes down. When you apply the rules of the game, the science of business, you see your revenue actually steadily grow. But when you begin to see this kind of peaks and troughs in your sales figure, is a very clear indication that your business has reached the limits of the science of business that it applies. For instance, sales begins with knowing who your audience is, knowing who your customers are, and knowing exactly what they want and giving it to them. And this is exactly why you can make money in both up and down economy, because the moment you understand the customer and you know exactly what he wants, and there's a science to doing that. It's not something you guess about. There's a science. There's a process that I take you through to discover who your customers are and what they want. So I've actually created a system called Cash Geographics. You know, my postgraduate degree was in Geographic Information Systems and Remote Sensing. And so a marriage of revenue generation and Geographic Information Systems gave birth to what I call Cash Geographics. And the principle of Cash Geographics is basically you being able to tell exactly where is your cash coming from, exactly where does the cash lie. Because if you want to catch fish, you don't go to the forest with your net. You gotta go where it is. And that's what I teach in business geographics, in Cash Geographics. Okay, so you have an awesome day. And then follow me at the Escape Revenue Secrets to learn more how you can apply the science of running your business to increase your revenue, to raise your potential, and to allow your business to do what is possible for your business to do in the world. Okay, I'll talk to you again very soon.